So firstly, I would like to thank Pramod sir for having me here. It's always a pleasure coming to Goa. The beaches and the weather and everything is amazing. Every time I come here, I'm like, I gotta shift here whenever I'm retired or something. So I wanted to share something with you all today. As kids, we all dream of becoming something. For me personally, I was always like, today I want to become an IS officer. Tomorrow I'd be like, no, maybe scientist would be the right one for me. The next day I would be like, maybe I should go into some sport. Although I never thought I'll be able to go till Olympics and win medals also for the country. But as kids, all of us, we have these dreams. Okay, I want to become this or I want to become that in life. And with time, in the journey of growing up, the dream just, we just let it down. We just are like, okay, just forget about it. Just live in the moment. Yes, you should live in the moment. But making something out of your life is equally important. If you want to travel, for example, I see a lot of like suitcases and passports and all in this. So traveling also, if you fulfill your dreams, I'm sure your profession will help you travel more. As a child, even I had this dream that I want to travel the world. But travel the world after you've become something, after you've achieved something, so you can actually enjoy your life more. So I would only like to say that the dreams that we have when we are kids, we should keep them alive and we should actually do our best to follow that and to become what we have dreamt of. So all of you, although I was not able to pursue my IAS and scientist dreams, but I became a sports person, and you all also, till the time you're not able to figure out, okay, this is what I want to become in life, you can always try different things, you can always put your name, participate in different things, and then it takes long time sometimes to decide. For me it took until last year to decide that this is actually what I want to do. So you will always have this confusion, I don't know what I want to become in life, I don't know what I want to do with my life. Till the time you are able to decide what you want to become in your life, आपको क्या बनना है, तब तक आप अलग-अलग चीजों को try करो, and then the moment you know, okay, this is the thing for me, maybe it's a sports person, maybe I want to become a teacher, maybe I want to become an IS officer, तब तक आप उसको करते रहो, and then just follow your dream, just follow everything, just do everything you can to achieve your dreams, okay? Nothing is cooler than that. Everything like social media या फिर कोई भी तरीके के distractions होते हैं, it's very temporary, but do something good with your life and follow your dreams, the things that you've dreamt of. When we are a child, everyone dreams of becoming something. Follow your dreams and make sure that you fulfill your dreams and make your parents proud. Thank you. That's all I want to say.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.